It all starts here, in the potato fields.
Precision machines ensure consistency in every slice. Steam and heat bring out the perfect texture.
Sizzling gives the chips their signature taste. Every packet is sealed for freshness.
The journey of every bite is a story. Every chip starts right here, a simple potato planted in the ground. No machines yet, no shortcuts.
Give it time, and the ground gives back. That little seed pushes up, turns into a strong plant.
At this stage, the plant's locked in. Strong roots, healthy leaves, and flowers on top. That's how you know the potatoes underground are growing all right.
All right, this whole thing starts right here. Fresh potatoes straight from the ground. No factory magic yet, just real farming and real work.
Every packet of Lay's begins its journey here, in the fields. Deep under the soil, potatoes are grown.
These potatoes are freshly harvested. Their size, freshness, and quality play a major role in how crispy the final chips will be.
After harvesting, the potatoes are carefully collected and prepared for transportation to the processing factory.
Even before reaching the factory, potatoes go through their first quality check. Damaged or undersized potatoes are removed.
Only the best potatoes are loaded onto trucks and sent to the factory, where the real transformation begins.
At the processing factory, where every step is carefully controlled. The potatoes are unloaded using automated systems, ensuring speed, hygiene, and minimal human contact.
Before processing begins, each potato passes through a strict inspection to remove any damaged or low-quality pieces.
The selected potatoes are then thoroughly washed with high-pressure water to remove dirt, soil, and impurities.
Once cleaned, the potatoes move forward on conveyor belts, ready for the next stage of processing. The washed potatoes enter high-speed peeling machines, where their skins are removed efficiently and evenly.
Next comes slicing. Powerful machines cut the potatoes into perfectly thin slices, giving Lay's chips their signature shape.
The thickness of each slice is carefully controlled, because even a small variation can affect taste and crunch.
After slicing, the potato slices are rinsed to remove excess starch, helping achieve a lighter and crispier chip.
The potato slices now enter a continuous fryer filled with hot oil, where the real transformation begins.
Inside the fryer, the slices cook evenly as they move forward, developing their light golden color and crisp texture.
Strict temperature control ensures the chips are fried at the perfect heat, preventing burning or undercooking.
Specially measured seasoning powders are applied, ensuring every chip gets the same taste. The hot chips now enter a rotating seasoning drum, where flavors are added evenly.
At this stage, the chips are checked for color and crispiness before moving on to seasoning.
The rotating motion mixes the chips gently, spreading the flavor evenly across the surface. After frying, excess oil is removed using vibrating belts and air systems to keep the chips light and crispy. Quality teams continuously monitor flavor levels to maintain consistency in every batch. Once seasoned, the chips are ready to move toward the final stage, packaging.
The flavored chips now enter the packaging section, where the famous red masala packets are prepared.
Machines create the red foil packets from packaging rolls, shaping them perfectly for sealing.
Each packet is filled with an exact amount of chips, measured carefully to maintain consistent weight. The packets are heat-sealed to lock in freshness, while branding gives them the familiar red masala look.
Before leaving the factory, each packet goes through a final quality check to ensure perfect sealing and appearance.
The sealed packets are grouped and packed into boxes, ready for large-scale distribution. Each box is sealed and labeled with batch numbers and production dates for tracking.
The boxes are stored in climate-controlled warehouse to keep the chips fresh.
From the warehouse, the boxes are loaded onto trucks for delivery across the country.
Finally, the chips reach stores, ready to be picked up by customers everywhere.
On store shelves, the red masala packets stand out instantly, catching the customer's eye.
A simple grab from the shelf marks the end of a long journey that began in the fields.
When the packet is opened, the freshness, crunch, and flavor are instantly released.
Every bite delivers the same taste and crunch, thanks to precise processing at every stage. From farm to factory, and finally to your hands in Aaron. This is how red masala chips are made.
For French fries, a special type of potato is selected. These potatoes are longer and ideal for making perfect fries.
Just like chips, these potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities before cutting.
The washed potatoes move into peeling machines, where their skins are removed quickly and efficiently. Powerful cutting machines slice the potatoes into long, uniform French fry shapes.
Advanced sensors ensure that every fry has the same length and thickness for even cooking. Before frying, the cut fries are blanched in hot water to remove excess starch and improve texture.
After blanching, the fries are quickly cooled to stop the cooking process. The partially cooked fries are flash frozen, preserving freshness until final cooking.
The fries are then partially fried at controlled temperatures to lock in flavor and structure.
Excess oil is removed to keep the fries light and ready for freezing.
After freezing, the fries move to the packaging line, where they are packed under strict temperature control.
Each packet is weighed precisely and sealed tightly to protect the fries from air and moisture.
The packed fries are stored in cold warehouses to maintain quality and freshness.
From here, the frozen fries are delivered to restaurants and food outlets.
At the restaurant, the fries are fried one last time, turning golden, crispy, and ready to serve.
French fries follow a different path, where selected potatoes are cut, blanched, partially fried, and frozen for later use. When cooked at restaurants, frozen fries turn golden, crispy, and ready to enjoy.
Different processes, different forms, but the same potato transforms into both crispy chips and delicious fries. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at Lay's chips and fries, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.